where are you? I'm all churched out, hurt and abused. I can't fake what's left to do. Truth is I'm weak, no strength to fight, no tears to cry, even if I tried. But still my soul refuses to die. One touch will change my life. Take me to the King.
All right.
I don't have much to breathe. My heart is torn to pieces. It's my offering. Lay me at the throne. Leave me there alone to gaze upon your glory and sing to you this song. Please take me to the King. Truth is, it's time to stop playing these games. We need a word for the people's pain. So Lord, speak right now. Let it fall like rain. We're desperate. We're chasing after you. No rules, no religion. I've made my decision to run to you, the healer that I need. Take me to the King.
Take me.
I don't have much to breathe. My heart is torn to pieces. It's my offering. Lay me at the throne. Leave me there alone to gaze upon your glory and sing to you this song. Take me to the Lord, we're in the way. We keep making mistakes. The glory's not for us, it's all for you. Take me to the King. I don't have much to breathe. My heart is torn to pieces. It's my offering. Leave me there. I will see your glory. Sing to you this song. Take me to the King. Take me to the King. Take me to the
Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
Oh my God. It's the first time they've done that song with the live vocalist. They